Here is how you can completely reset your Instagram algorithm. If you are seeing a bunch of content on Instagram which you are not interested in, then resetting your algorithm will fix the problem. Let's open your Instagram app and go over to your search bar. You want to delete all of your recent searches because this will influence the recommendations and all those other things. So tap the see all option. Then clear all. Then confirm your decision by clicking clear all one more time. Our search history is completely deleted, so we can continue with the next step. Go over to the profile section at the bottom right corner. Then tap at the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Then scroll down a little bit. You will find the option here, Content Preferences. Tap here. Then tap on the Reset Suggested Content. And now follow the on-screen instructions. This step will completely refresh your recommendations. Meaning, Instagram will stop relying on your old activity and start learning your preferences again from scratch. After you confirm the reset, your feed, reels and explore page might feel a little random at first. And that's normal. From here on, everything you like, watch, skip or interact with will retrain in the algorithm. So, make sure you engage with content you actually enjoy and ignore or scroll past the stuff you don't want to see anymore. Thanks for watching.